Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to add hours to DateTime field in Salesforce. So let's proceed and understanding how we can add hours to a DateTime field in Salesforce. To add a specific number of hours in a DateTime value in Salesforce, you need to use the add hours function, and the syntax of this function is given on your screen. It has two parameters. First one is date time and the second one is hour. And here the date time is the value to whom you want to add an hour, and the hour is the number of hours that you want to add it to the date time value. And if you want to subtract some hours, you can use the negative number, and if you want to add some hours, you can use the positive numbers, and you can do these things according to your needs. So let's proceed and firstly learn to add hours to a date time field in Salesforce. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce org. So here I open my Salesforce account, and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are not in the Lightning one, then you can switch to the Lightning one first and then proceed. So here we are already in the Lightning edition. So let's proceed, and we can add hours to a date time field in Salesforce. So for this, we click on the gear icon and click on the setup option, and it will redirect us to the setup home page. And here is our setup home page, and we click on this object manager tab that is present on the nav bar, and our object manager page is open, and under this page lots of objects are present. And here we are selecting the lead object, so we search the lead in the search box and select the lead object. From this object we can add hours to a date time field, but this time we cannot use the fields and relationship option. And here we use the concept of the triggers for adding the hours to the date and time. So for this, I click on the trigger option. When we scroll down, there is a trigger option present. Click on this trigger, and our trigger page is open. Now here I want to create a new trigger, so I click on the new trigger button, and this button redirects us to the Apex trigger page. And here you can see two types are present. First one is Apex trigger, and the second one is version setting. And here I choose the Apex trigger, where we write our code. And here I write my code, some code, and so let's write some code here. Now you can see I write my code, and so in this Salesforce Apex code, I created trigger that executed before an event occur on a lead record. You can see we use the before insert, and this will occur before event before an event occur on the lead record. So here you can see I use the before insert, and it automatically add 4 hours to the and date time. And for this I use the and date time function to add the 4 hours to the and date time. So here create the trigger with a unique name, trigger lead, which is associated with the lead. This is the lead object, and after writing a code, hold the code, we click on the save button, and here is my save button. Click on that. Error occur, variable does not exist start date time. So check my error. Now after clicking on the save button, you can see our trigger is created, and we can add hours to a date time field successfully. So here you can see the name of the trigger is the trigger lead. Its code coverage is 0%, and the as object type is lead. And then you can also check your code. that you have right, some error occur. I resolve this error and then click on the save button and our trigger is created successfully. That can add the hours to a DateTime field. So with this we have learned how to add hours to a DateTime field in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.